Need to know how something works in AI School? This video shows the complete path to the manual and explains when it makes sense to browse, search, ask a question, or let the chatbot consult the manual. Open the manual from the Knowledge Point menu. The manual is organized into expandable categories, making it easy to browse through articles and become familiar with the features available in AI School. If you already know what you are looking for, use the search bar in the top right corner. Enter keywords to quickly find the most relevant manual articles without browsing every category. If you prefer a direct answer, use the Ask a Question feature. AI answers your question and also provides a list of relevant manual articles for additional information. If you're already chatting, you can ask questions about how AI School works there as well. During longer conversations, make it clear that your question is about AI School. And, if needed, explicitly ask the chatbot to consult the manual. You can browse the manual, search for specific articles, ask a question through the AI feature, or let the chatbot consult the manual. Choose the approach that best fits your situation. Want to review these steps later? Check the manual for the complete instructions and additional guidance.